So you've got your budget and you started saving. And now you're thinking, what do I do with this money? Do I stick it under my mattress? No. It's time to let that money go to work for you without quitting your day job or turning into the Wolf of Wall Street. Let's dive right in. Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cassie, founder of Faithful Finance Academy, where we mix wisdom, the word, and a whole lot of real talk to help you win with money. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button because here we've got kingdom principles and budgeting tips hotter than your auntie's sweet potato pie. Okay. Let's talk real quick about why investing matters. Savings is safe, but it's not going to make you wealthy. You cannot save your way to wealth. Inflation is out here like your sneaky ex, quietly stealing your money's value behind your back. Investing helps your money grow, beat inflation, and build wealth over time. Think of it like planting a money tree, but legally. So what is investing really? It's giving your money a job. You're basically saying, hey dollars, go out there, work overtime, and bring some friends with you. You're putting your money into things like stocks, funds, real estate, with the expectation that they'll grow in value over time. Here's your beginner-friendly investing roadmap. Number 1, set your goals. Whether it be retirement, generational wealth, or just tired of being broke. Number 2, know your options. 401k or 403, especially if your job gives you free money, also known as matching. Roth IRA, tax-free growth, yes please. Or a brokerage account, great for long-term wealth building. Number 3, pick your style. Low-key investor, start with index funds or EFTs. Let me break it down for you. An index fund is a type of investment that copies a big list of companies like the S&P 500. So instead of picking individual stocks, you've invested in hundreds of companies at once. It's like ordering the whole sampler platter instead of just one dish. You get more variety and it spreads the risk. And let's talk about EFT, which is an exchange-traded fund. An EFT is very similar to an index fund, but it trades on the stock market like a regular stock. It gives you that same diversification, but it's a little bit more flexible and easier to buy or sell. A faith frame example. When we invest in an index fund or an EFT, we're not putting our trust in one single company. We're diversifying. And that's a wise principle in the scripture. Ecclesiastes 11:2 says, invest in 7 ventures. Yes, 8. You do not know when disaster may come. Translation, don't put your eggs all in one basket. Feeling brave? Learn how to research individual stocks. But maybe don't buy 47 shares of a company just because you like their sneakers. Number 4, choose a platform. Something like Fidelity or Vanguard, even beginner apps like Acorn or SoFi. But stay away from anything that looks like it was built back in 2003. Proverbs 21 says that the plans of the diligent lead surely to abundance. Investing is not gambling, it's a long-term strategy. Here are some fast tips. Start small, but start now. Even $50 a month adds up. Automate your investments, because let's be honest, we forget. And don't panic when the market dips. Keep learning. YouTube University is free, and so is wisdom if you ask God for it. At the end of the day, everything belongs to God, and we're not chasing money. We're simply managing what He gave us. When your financial strategy is aligned with your faith, you position yourself for real breakthrough. If you're ready to start investing but still feel unsure of where to begin, I got you. Download my beginner investing checklist in the link below. Or book a one-on-one coaching session with me. Let's make your next move your best move. And tag your cousin who thinks that lottery tickets is a real investment strategy. Love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Be blessed.